ladies and gentlemen. Well, one of the comments said, how about no apes? How about just ladies and gentlemen? Not lady apes, gentlemen apes. Okay, give that for a try. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, this is Andy. Now, I'm sharing some things, follow up on the FTDs expiring on, well, actually the put options expiring on July the 16th, which exposes the shares which have no locates. So now these shares which have no locates, well, they become fail to deliver FTDs. And how do you kick the can down the road? Well, before DTCC Rule 005 became effective, the way to kick the can down the road is to just write up new options, new put options. Just write them up, and then say, oh, the locates are there and the new put options. But now with DTCC Rule 005, ApeAndy and Major Tom, we had several hours of conversation on the phone, and we came to the conclusion that given DTCC Rule 005 is in place and effective, it would not be possible for the SHF to directly write up new options to go with those old FTDs. So they cannot kick the old can down the road. They must pick up the old can, take care of it, and create new cans, and then kick it down the road. Now that's an analogy. So in the real sense, they must cover the shares that have no more locates, buy them back. And if you want to kick the new can down the road, then you must write a new set of call options at a strike price, same put options at the same strike price, exercise these call options, get 100 shares, and then short it. Okay? The division line is here. Old can, which have no more put options to hide them, because these put options expired July 16th. Division line is here. Take care of it. And then afterwards, division line is here. Afterwards, write up call options, write up put options at the same strike price, exercise these call options, get 100 shares, and then short it down. This is a whole new set. This is a whole new can. For the old can, you must take care of it. ApeAndy, what do you mean by take care of it? Gotta cover it, gotta buy it back. Covering it, buying it back, what happens? It shoots the price up, right? This is just for example. I'm not saying any price predictions. Honestly, no price predictions. I'm just saying this number as an example. After July 16th, these 40 million shares have no more locates because 400,000 put contract expired OTM. Unburying, unhidden those 40 million shares. Major Tom is a top DD guy. He worked out it's 50 million shares that has no locates. How did he work it out? Major Tom, oh, I love him. Major Tom is no shill. He is the best DD guy I've ever came across. Now, this is a shout out for Major Tom, yes. Just as ApeAndy said before, Jamie of Trade Spotting and Rocky Outcrop, they're brothers. Jamie and Rocky Outcrop, those are the two best ever TA, technical analysis guy ever, that I met. Okay, I'm speaking only for myself. Major Tom, the best DD guy I ever met. He discovered that on the TOS glitch, not a glitch, people give that name a glitch, okay, that after July 16th Friday expiry, the computer, TOS, okay, computer, suddenly shows that GameStop market value expanded a lot. No share price was shown. Only the GameStop market cap shown on the computer, every computer in the exchange. The GameStop market capital shot up so much to a figure so high that when Major Thomas, he reversed engineering the market cap shown on the computer of how high the GameStop market cap was, it suddenly shot up after July 16th Friday. And given that huge market cap of GameStop, Major Tom reversed engineering it and came up with the figure that 50 million shares are unhidden from the options contract, put options contract, expiring OTM on July the 16th Friday. Did that sink in? On July 16th Friday, after the options expired, the market cap of GameStop all of a sudden ballooned to so high a number that people saw it and was shocked, surprised, amazed, and there are posts on Reddit. Reverse engineering that market cap, that surprising market cap number of GameStop on the computer system of every exchanges, Thomas came up with the conclusion that 50 million shares were unhidden. Okay, so you have to take care of those 50 million shares. How? DTCC's Rule 005 is effective and in place. Now, I have to give the SHF this much. Yes, they're shorting good companies to oblivion, but SHF, they play by the rules. But they're so good that they find loopholes around it. But DTCC Rule 005, there's no loophole for them to go around. The only way is to take care of those 50 million shares by buying them back, buying them back, buying them back, buying them back, and then create new cans to short again. So I'm going to put this whole thing into perspective. When taking care of the old can, which you can no longer kick down the road due to DTCC Rule 005, you must buy those 50 million shares back. You must take care of it. What happens? The price goes up. Then you create new cans. Then the SHF create new cans. Write up call options, write up put options at the same strike price, exercise the call options, get 100 shares and short it down. These shares, they have locates in the put options. Again, the overall perspective is taking care of the old can, 50 million shares, taking care of it means buying it back. price goes up. Then you write the strike price of the call option and the strike price of the put options from this height and short it back down. ApeAndy, so you were saying that to take care of the old can, they must buy it back, price goes up, create new cans. To kick down the road, they short it back down. Correct. That's the way the SHF can do it, given DTCC Rule 005 is in place and effective. Okay. Put on the red team hat. Think in terms of Big C, SHF. Think in terms of their positions. You must take care of the old cans. The price will go up. So why not profit on the way up? Write up some call options. Exercise it. Profit on the way up. Deployment of call options. Profit on the way up. Because you, SHF, I, SHF, must take care of these 50 million shares. And in the process of taking care of this 50 million shares, the price goes up, right? So why don't I, SHF, buy call options, write up call options, arm, write up call options, and the HF arm, Big C has two arms, HF arm and arm. Arm, write up the call options, sell it to the Big C write up the call options, sell it to Big C HF, buy the call options, and profit on the way up. Well, see, Big C and Big C HF, they are different companies, but they have the same owner. Correct? Okay, you get the point. Take care of old cans. Because DTCC Rule 005 is in place. Fine. I play by the rules. I take care of the old cans. Price goes up. Well, I'm SHF. I'm a smart trader. I can adapt. Since the price goes up, why not profit on the way up? Given that perspective, we take it one step further. You're SHF. I'm SHF. I'm faced with many apes who have this strategy of buy and hold. Okay? No matter how much I give them distractions. Buy this other stock, buy that other stock, buy this other stock, buy that other stock. No matter how much distraction I give these apes, they still stick to GME. No matter how much I compromise WSB and all the other, no matter how much I compromise Reddit, okay, these apes, they have the same strategy, buy and hold. So I cannot tell the apes to shoo, go away. Shoo, go away. They won't go away. Okay, so I have to make so much effort to short GME from 350, from 200. I try to get it below 160, 150 on July 16th. I cannot. No matter how many order flows I buy and put the buys in the dark pool and only put the sells in the open exchange, no matter what I do, these apes just won't go away. They just buy and hold. No matter how much I push the price down, it only goes down so much. Okay, so now I'm SHF. I'm thinking of red team cap on my head. So I have to exert so much effort, so much energy to try to short it down from 350, from 300, from 250, from 200, and downwards. Because I'm faced with this masses of apes, okay? And this GME thing, it's all coiled up. So much buy pressure. inside the dark pools. So much buy pressure inside the dark pools. So I must find a way around it, right? Remember, I have to take care of the old can by buying it. The price is going to shoot up anyways. So with all this coiled up energy of the apes buy and hold, that price action upwards will be very strong. Use it. Don't fight it. Use it. That would be a smart SHF tactic to do. Buy call options, push it up, profit on the way up. Because those apes, those retail buy and hold energy becomes my energy to profit on the way up. And once the price is so high, I short it back down. See, this is just a for example price. This is just a for example price. After July 16th, taking care of the old cans, buying back all these 50 million shares, it shoots the price up to an XX number, maybe an XXX number. Or maybe even an XXXX number. How many digits do I have in my hand? Okay. See, that profit is a huge gain for the SHF, for the big C, to profit up. Whereas I've been breaking my back trying to short it down from 350 to 300 to 250 to 200. It's taking me so much effort breaking my back. Oh, but if I use the energy from the apes and profit on the way up, since I have to take care of my 50 million shares of without locates, get it? If the SHF is smart, they will profit on the way up and use the energy of the apes, all coiled up, all buy and hold, to shoot the price up. If the price goes up to how many digits do I have in my hand? Then the profit from the gains would be much greater than the gains from shorting it from 350 downwards. Correct? Easy gains for the SHF. SHF try to short it down from 350 to 300 to 250 to 200, pushing it down to never getting to 150. So much effort to push it down. Apes won't go away. They're spending so much energy to try to short it down. Why not flip it around? Spend little energy and use the apes' energy to shoot the price up and then profit on the way up. Let's wait and see how high it goes. Let the market decide how high it goes and then short it back down. Okay? If I were SHF, that's what I would do. Be strong, apes.